some stagnation, because that's what this practice does. It opens up our energy flow so that chwee, like a little, you're starting like a train with chew, and then you go ee, chwee, chwee. Oh, that sound. I'm tingling now. Okay, the sound for wood is shh, like you're blowing out a candle or saying someone shh. And then the sound for earth is hoo, like an owl. Hoo. And so the intent is we take
Of your true divinity, allow your higher self to help you know your sovereignty. You got the balance right, it's up to you. You got the key on deck. New day.
If I go, will you help me get back on my toes?
I don't know what's supposed to happen next, but if our host wants to come up here and say a word or two.
Emily!